welcome to online coaching class. Today we shall discuss about order relation of number. So order relation means to arrange the number. So it may be in two types. That means from smaller to biggest, smallest to biggest, and another it may be biggest to the smallest. Okay, so smallest to biggest, arranging of smallest to biggest is called ascending order, and the arrangement of biggest to smallest is called descending order. Okay, so to do this arrangement we need to know at first how to compare of two numbers. Compare of two numbers, which number is smallest and which number is biggest or bigger. So we need to know that at first. So we follow some very simple rule to compare the numbers, and we will find which number is smaller and which number is greater. Okay, so the first rule is, if the number of digit is more than the digit of the another number, then the first number will be greater than the second. That means 2, 3, 4, 7 and another number we take 9, 2, 3. So you can see here the number of digit here 4 and number of digit here 3. So as the number of digit here is more than this, so this number will be greater. So this number will be greater than this number. Okay. Now the second rule, if the number of digits are equal in each number, then that means here is also 4-digit number and this be a 4-digit number. Okay, so number of digits are the same. Now we will compare the first digit of these two number. Now we will compare the first digit of these two number. So here first digit is 2 and here first digit is 9. Okay, so as 9 is greater than 2 or 2 is lesser than 9, so this number will be greater than this number. Okay, as first digit is greater, then this number will be greater than the first one. Okay, so and next if the first two digits are equal, then if the first digit is equal, then see here the first digit is 9 and here is also first digit is 9. So for this number we will compare the second digit. Okay, so second digit is here 7 and here it is 6. So as the second digit is 7 greater than this, that means this number will be greater than this number. Okay, so this is greater, the first number is greater than the second number, and then in this way we will proceed the next. That means if the first three digits of the number are equal, then first digit, at first compare this first to first, it is equal, then compare the second, it is also equal, then compare the third, it is also equal, then compare the last digit. Compare the last digit, here it is 5 and here it is given 7. So which number is greater? 7, yes. So number 7 is greater. As number 7 is greater, then this number will be greater than this number. So the second number is greater than the first number. Okay, so in this way we will compare two number and we will arrange in the order. Okay, so let us take an example. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order mean, you know, ascending order mean to arrange smallest to biggest. Okay, so at first there are 4 numbers are given here. Look at first the rule first the digits of the numbers. So here it is 4 digit, it is 4 digit, it is 4 digit, and it is also 4 digit number. Okay, so all digits are all numbers are 4 digit numbers. So first we will compare the first digit. Okay, at first we will find the smallest number. Okay, so here it is first digit is 4, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 3. So among these numbers, as it is 3-digit number, first digit is 3 and it is first digit is 3, then either this number is smallest or this number is smallest. So as for these two numbers, as the first digit are same, then compare the second digit for this number and this number. So second digit is here 9 and here second digit is 1. As 9 is greater than 1 or 1 is smaller than 9, 1 is smaller than 9. So this number will be smaller from this. Okay, so this number is the smallest number among these four numbers. Okay, so we got the smallest number. The smallest number is 3102, and then the second smallest number will be 3921. Now compare this number, this and this number. Okay, so as the first digit is 4 and here it is also 4, so we will compare the second number. Yes, the second number. So here the second number is 7, here the second number is 5. So as 5 is lesser than 7, so this number will be lesser than this. So we got the third number here. The third number is this, and the biggest number will be 4, 7, 6, 8. So in this way we will solve the arrangement. Okay, so in order, ascending order, we will say the number is first number is this is the smallest number and this is the biggest number. Okay, and if we write this number in descending order, then the first one will be the biggest number, then the smallest number. Okay, so biggest to smallest. If we arrange this number from biggest to smallest in a similar way, we can compare and we can say that this is this number will be the biggest number and this number will be the smallest number. So the descending order will be DO, it can be right. So the descending order will be 4, 7, 6, 8, 4, 5, 8, 6, then 3, 9, 2, 1 and then 3, 1, 0, 2. So this will be the descending order. Okay. So now we will solve a descending order problem, another descending order problem. Okay. So arrange this number in descending order. Okay. So we'll arrange this in descending order. Descending order means first we have to find the greatest number. Okay, greatest to smallest. Okay, so first look here, all numbers are 4 digits number. Okay, so we compare the first digit. The first digit is here 6, here is 2, here 6, here is also 6. So either first, as 6 is greater than this, then either this number is greater or this number is greatest or this number is greatest number. Okay, so for these three number, at first compare the second digit. So for second digit here it is 1 and here second digit is 3, that means this number is greater than this, and here is second digit is 1. So that means this number is greater than this also. So the greatest number will be, this number will be the greatest. So the greatest number is 6318, and now compare, this number has been written. So now compare the rest two number, this and this. Here the second digit also 1, here the second digit also 1. So you will compare the third digit. So here the third digit is, here the third digit is, yes, 8, and here it is also 8, here it is also 8. Okay, so both are equal. So compare next digit, that means 2. Here it is 2 and here it is also 2. So this number and this number the digits are equal, that means the numbers are also equal. So these and these numbers are equal, you can see here. Okay, so we'll write 82 and this also 6182, and another number is left, that is this number. So this number will be the smallest number, 68. Understood? So in this way we will solve the problems from order relation. Okay, so I think all of you have understand well these problems and this topic. If you have any doubt, then you will tell me. Okay, today's class up to this, and next day we will discuss another topic. Okay.